Good morning. This is a video to show or demonstrate the use of multi-purpose continuity tester. I'll show you how to test. First we'll test the transistor. This is the BC547 transistor. This is NPN transistor. We'll see how to test this using the continuity tester. We use multimeter with the continuity tester setting. Instead of that, we'll use the continuity tester as said by me in the other video. So I'm placing the negative point here, it will do nothing, right? So since NPN transistor, I have to place the positive side in the base, right? And keeping other side, you can see this is good. On the other side, this is good. If I reverse this, it should not work. It's not working. So this transistor is good. This is how we have to test. This is NPN transistor. So I have placed positive in the mid base. This transistor BC547 in the mid base and trying at the other one side, glows, other side too it glows. So this transistor is good. We'll test the diode. There are diodes in this too. We'll test one of the diodes on this side. You can see the silver line on this side of the diode, right? And the next diode it is here. The silver line is here. So we'll just test this. This is the negative side, right? And the reverse, it doesn't work. Forward, it glows. The diode is good. The diode is good. Right? This is how you test a diode. Right? We have tested a diode too. If it is a bridge rectifier, like in LED driver circuit, you can test that too. This is a bridge rectifier in a LED driver circuit. You can test that too. You should not have connections on the reverse. If you have forward connection, there should be no reverse connection. So this is good. This driver in the bridge rectifier of the LED driver is good. So testing a capacitor is little interesting. Here you can see one capacitor. We'll just test that. It is little interesting. I don't know whether you are able to see the light. We'll check now. It glows continuously on one side, right? I'm placing it in the opposite. The positive is placed on the negative side. It continuously makes sound. On the other side, it will make small beep and it will vanish. If you are attentive, you must have seen the LED glowing. That is all it will do. You can see nothing, right? I'll just zoom out and show you so that you'll be able to see the blinking of the LED. One side it glows continuously. On the other side, just watch the LED. It will just blink a moment and go off. Right? It just blinked. This is how you can test a capacitor. You can test the capacitor up to around certain nanofarads. Picofarads testing is very tough with this continuity tester. You can test the continuity of a resistor here. If the resistor is worn out and burned off, it will show continuity. Or if the resistor is resistor value is very small, it will show continuity. This resistor value is very small in ohms. It is around 1 ohm resistor. Hence this glows. This will also glow. Wait, let me check. This is 10 ohms, but it didn't glow. This is a 1 ohm resistor, it glows. We'll test another resistor. This is around 4, I don't know, it is some K. 3.3K resistor is here. You can see it is a 3.3K resistor. We'll just test that. Right? If it is worn out and if there is a continuity, it will show. Else nothing, you can see nothing. You have tested this too. So you can test, you have tested resistor, diodes. We have tested one transistor too. We tested this transistor. Right? We can test the continuity too with this to test whether the tracks are cut or not. In certain cases, the tracks would be broken in between. So you can test that too with the help of this. You can see the tracks here clearly. This track goes to this point. LED glows. So it has continuity. This goes to this point. That is continuity. So this is the excellent use of a continuity tester. You might find new applications of this continuity tester too, or add more value. Maybe at the next level you can test more other components too, like MOSFET, and those things are not available with me now here. And you can even test a MOSFET with this continuity tester, and keep trying and learn more and benefit out of this small continuity tester. Have a good day. வாழ்க வளமுடன்.